Unveiling the Shell Game in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, the shell game. This term has a rich history and an interesting use in both literal and metaphorical contexts. So, if you've ever heard someone mention a shell game and wondered what they were talking about, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we uncover the meaning behind this phrase and how you can use it in conversation. The term shell game originates from an old street con game. It involves 3 shells and a small ball. The person running the game hides the ball under one of the shells, shuffles them around, and then asks you to guess which shell the ball is under. The trick is that the game is usually rigged, and the ball is often manipulated so that you lose, even if you guess correctly. In this section, we'll discuss how the game is played and where it got its start. We'll also explore how it became a popular metaphor for deception and trickery in various aspects of life and language. When people use the term shell game, metaphorically, they're referring to a situation where the truth is being manipulated or obscured. It can be used to describe political tactics, business dealings, or any scenario where the information is shuffled around to confuse or deceive. This section will break down some common situations where you might hear the phrase used as a metaphor. We'll go through examples and provide alternative expressions that carry a similar meaning. Now that you know what a shell game is, let's put it to use. In this part of the video, we will go over several sentences that include the phrase. By doing so, you'll see how to incorporate it into your own English speaking and writing. We will look at both the literal and metaphorical uses, ensuring that you are well prepared to use shell game in the appropriate context. The phrase shell game doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's part of English idiomatic expressions that have developed from the culture and history of English-speaking people. This section will address how the term reflects larger themes in culture and language, such as skepticism and awareness of fraud. And that's a wrap on the shell game. I hope this video has given you insight into this intriguing phrase and that you feel confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the stories and histories behind the phrases we use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Until next time, keep learning and keep curious.